Let's watch this video. I think this will be fair. We will have 17 less on the account, like a hedge deposit. Anyway, we have opened the first buy position. Why did we do this? Because according to the Williams oscillator, price was overbought, then we started declining, showing a short-term downgoing correction. Now, according to the current market structure, I suppose that price has already received the cool down that it was supposed to receive. Now we are ready to continue growing in the upgoing tendency. And that's why I have opened buy position, investing our $100, expecting the potential stop of the drop and beginning of the new wave of the growth. Let's check whether I was right or not. I'm sure I was. So it's closed. We have $209 on the account. Audi USD. What do we have here? First, let me change our investment to $200. Here we are moving in the very light downgoing channel, like very light. And now we have hit the downgoing trend line from which we are ready to receive the pullback reaction. That's why I have open sell position here, investing our $200. Very simple trade. Now it looks much better, but at the moment I was thinking that we will lose everything. Oh, okay. So sometimes God and destiny really helps you to earn money. This was a very nice example of such activity. Anyway, we're in profit. We have $401 on the account. We're going to hit it at least. Let me try to open sell position here, because I think we have already passed a long way to upper edge of the declining channel, to the roof of this channel. And now I think we will start opposite movement, declining movement towards the bottom line of the declining channel. And yeah, so that's it. We have invested our $400. Let's check what will happen. So it's done. One more profitable trade. We have $769 on the account. So here we have opened buy position according to the data from the zigzag, because according to the zigzag we in the strongest buy zone. Yep, if we pay attention to the Williams oscillator, it will tell us that price is slightly overbought, but still, when we see such data from the zigzag, highly likely we will continue growing. No sense to take risk and open sell position here. We have just opened buy position, and I think it was a right decision. Let's check it list. By the way, guys, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and bear with me. Link in the description. Okay, guys, this trade is closed. We have $1,413 on the account. So here, price is staying at the bottom line, at the support line zone, and according to the close and closer movement and position, this position of the candles, we can be sure that sellers are ready to break through the bottom line, the support line zone. That's why I have already opened sell position, wasting our $1,000. And if we succeed right now, then price will continue dropping more and more until we reach the next support line zone, which will be the next stop. Okay, we have $2,333 in the account, and still we have some more time for one more trade for today. So let's don't waste our time and open it. Sell position is open. We have invested $2,000 because, as you can see, we're staying on the strong resistance line zone right now. We have been trying to break through it for a lot of times, but all of them were unsuccessful, and according to the master balance strategy, the best idea right now is just to open sell order and to see how price is dropping. Whew, so it's done. It's closed. We have $4,173 on the account. This is a really nice result, guys. We had, if you remember, 117 bucks, and we have multiplied them like 40 times more just within 7 minutes. If you want to have the same kind of results, it's absolutely possible, and all you need for this is just to learn. And you can learn in my private TG, link for which you can find in the description to this video. So don't waste your time, open it right now, subscribe, and I will see you in my dream team. See you all, kiss you all, and bye bye.